Injecting butter in yourself.
Look at Slim. Be rent free if you're listening.
Yeah, I'll give you a buck. You should do it.
Yay, stuffing the turkey.
Look,
What is that?
you ripped me off after this water. Look at how it's starting to come.
Okay.
It even gets fatter.
Miranda's injecting butter into the turkey. That's clarified butter.
No, not so much.
Ooh, not too much. You
Yeah.
can see it oozing out. Oh, turkey. Good turkey. Chicken. Ham. Mashed potatoes. Gravy.
Corn and green beans.
Oh yeah, corn and green beans. Yum. Mr. What? Say something. It's the video.
Peace, yo! There you go.
Okay. We are making masa for tamales. what did I say? We are like the Asian chefs, I think. We are here today at Sylvia's place
It's like the
making tamales.
Eastern meets the Southwest.
Eastern meets the Southwest.
And we are making masa right now and
Okay, I think we can stop.
No.
I'm gonna get this video go on the internet.
His parents are gonna see this.
Tamales.
His
Masa
parents.
for
We're
tamales.
gonna see this?
His parents are
Yeah,
gonna
put
see
it on the web so your parents will see this.
Like four really fast.
this. Yeah, do that thing again what you were doing, Chris.
1 minute.
Stop it.
Ian,
Ay, finally it's done.
Oh my god.
look at he's got some stuff on his
You're sort of smiling.
Hey, abuelita, come, abuelita. Aquí, abuelita. Get abuelita inside.
No, we're not going to
Get abuelita inside. Get abuelita inside. Grease.
Oh, Chris, you do this like such a professional.
No, your tongue must come out a little bit more.